Okay, we worked for like 10 hours yesterday and our camera ran out of memory space. So we didn't do a wrap-up video, but we got so much done yesterday. So first of all, the ceiling is in. The fan is fully in now with the cover. It just needs the electricals done. The walls are done. And our bed frame is also in. Oh, and the flooring. I can't believe I almost forgot that. And the flooring is done. So, pretty crazy.
Wait, what's the day?
Technically day 23.
Technically day 23, and as you can see, we got more stuff to put in today. Cabinets for the side. Don't know if you can tell, but that's a solar panel for the roof and various other things. We also really need to figure out our bike solution because we love to bike and we want to be able to travel with our bikes in the van. Something's got to be done about that. I'm going to attempt these hooks, but not 100% sure if it's gonna work, so we're gonna have to see. The plan today is like there's so many like miscellaneous little things, but I think mostly electricals, right? Electricals. So
well, you're gonna do electricals, I'm gonna do cabinets.
Okay, she's gonna do cabinets. I don't know what that means, but that's the plan. Let's go.
All right, so yesterday was kind of windy. We spray painted the bottom of one side, but not the bottom of the other side. So I just did that so it doesn't look like that creepy yellow orange color. And yesterday, if you remember, we sanded down the little divots on the roof and we put, what did we put?
Primer.
Oh, and we sprayed it with primer. So today the primer's dry. The primer's gray though, so we need to spray paint it white now so the van doesn't look weird. So that's what we're gonna do.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know,
It's rack time.
if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Okay. Got some square tubing so we can connect the roof rack, and it'll allow us to spread the thing out more and also to have a flat place to mount the panels. So here we go. But here they are, square pieces of tubing, and we're gonna sand them, cut them, paint them so they're nice and white like everything else.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is
Alright, so these IKEA cabinets that we bought didn't come with any backings or top, which is fine because we have plywood that we're going to use. So what I'm doing now is I just cut the back piece. I'm going to put wood glue on, and then I'm going to also put some nails in it. So hopefully that works out.
So they're gonna be like that. Oh. Solar panel mounting time. And we're discussing potentially a little bit of a change in plans. So this one here was originally supposed to be behind the fan, but we're thinking maybe we'll put this bar over here, and so that it would give us a little bit more mounting space for the panels. So we're having that discussion right now.
Current situation is that we need to order some pieces for the roof rack to finish it up the way we want to. Because of lockdown though, I can't just walk into a hardware store. We need to actually order online and wait for them to tell us when we can pick it up. So I'm currently laying on the lawn, petting the dog, while Andy orders the parts that we need. Man, it's so nice that I could totally just take a nap here. Right, Bubsies?
Well, don't forget that there needs then from the battery you need a distance.
Battery terminals. I'm gonna make an adapter for the wire. Flat, eh? Flat.
Okay, explain why you're sanding it.
Apparently, sanding this will make the light come through better.
If you spray it.
I'm gonna spray with clear lager.
Oh, we're gonna spray. See, they don't tell me all the steps. They just tell me sand this, and I'm like, why am I sanding plastic? Also, very important that when you're sanding, you sand flat. Is that enough sanding?
No. Tia's exhausted. It's the end of the day. We got quite far. Oh, the cabinet's in, and somebody decided to change plans and make things more complicated, but
It was a good idea.
you want to show everyone what the plan was? She made a giant garbage can in our van.
It's not a garbage can.
No, now we can lift the top up in case we need to get anything in there that is really awkward. Quick access. So yeah, we're at this point where we can't really go further anymore because the solar panel needs to go in, and we don't have the hardware to tie it in. Plus, we needed the special wire that is at home because I thought we would be able to use those wires, but it was deemed unsafe. So we're gonna use the special manufacturer wires that I bought. Otherwise, we have our whole solar system sitting over here, ready to be wrapped up. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow and I'm gonna do this. Tia may come back with me, but sit and chill with Bubba. And now I gotta go wash this copper off of my fingers and get a drink of water, maybe a beer. I think that is the end of day 23. All right, we're pretty much almost ready to go sleep at Walmart. Tia and Andy out.